Hello friends, welcome to 𝐏𝐥𝐸 cooking classes and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very special course of custard. In this course I will teach you the right technique of making variety of custard, variety of flavor and right consistency. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is fruit custard. So in this course I will teach you variety of custard and all custard taste superb. They are creamy and so light in texture. This is Trifle Custard. So we have more than 240 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining our courses even you can sell them at commercial level. This is mango custard. So these custard get ready in just few minutes. And beside this, we have our own brand Urban Foods in which we have launched spices and premixes. If you want to order these masala powder and premixes online, then go to our website www.urbanspices.co.in and put a code 𝐿𝐴 in capital letter 25 and you will get 25% off on all of my products. And suppose if you want to sell them in bulk quantity or if you want to buy all the products in bulk quantity, so please contact on the number which I have given you in description box. This is you can call Sabudana custard. Then after this is Sevai custard or vermicelli custard. All the custard are superb yummy and they just get ready in few minutes only. Okay. And we have lakhs of students from India and all over world who had started their business after learning our courses. And for more details, for contact number, everything, please check my description box. I have given you everything, contact number, where to contact to buy the courses, everything I have given you. And this is Shahi Custard. If you check the texture of this custard, it is so light and fluffy. Then this is Rasmalai Custard. Even you can make at home. Even you can sell this custard at restaurant and other places also. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners of this week. So when you join our online course, you will get recipe, video for lifetime access, then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your doubts. So in this way you can join our online class anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is 𝐾𝐩𝐲𝐒 and second is Arnav Suhas. Congratulations both lucky winner. You can claim your free online class by contacting on below number. So see you next week with a new class, but before that do like, share, subscribe our channel.